I think that it should be a fundamental right that when an employee goes to work, that their well-being, their health and their safety is considered in exactly the same way as their colleagues' health and safety is considered. But if we kind of build on that, if we look at it from a different perspective, it's also about belonging. It's about mattering. It's about being considered by the people that you work for and knowing that when you turn up to work that you matter, you've been considered and that you belong there. Curtins is absolutely delighted to be supporting this guidance because we have got the absolute privilege and pleasure of working with loads of businesses who are purpose-driven, who are really kind of have their values at the heart of what they do. And this allows us to kind of share something that's really tangible for those businesses to be able to use that will improve the experience of people that are working both in our industry, so we're a civil and structural engineering consultancy, so improving the experience of people within the construction industry, but beyond that as well. As a business and in the construction industry, we do not have the representation that we want. We don't have that diversity in our workforce. So guidance like this, we hope, will really kind of serve to retain talent within the industry, but also, I really do hope, attracts people and appeals to people that have perhaps been thinking about it as a career and thinking, actually, maybe that is somewhere that I could join and that I could belong. So we work in the construction industry, we're civil and structural engineers. A lot of what we do is desk-based design, so we work in healthcare and education, we work on housing schemes, but also our teams do go out onto construction sites. And for us, we want to know that we can manage their health, their well-being and their safety out on the construction sites to the best of our ability, in the same way that we do when they're in our offices, and knowing that we can provide the PPE that really suits and serves their individual needs. We're not asking them to adapt to fit to somebody else's shape or size or race or ethnicity or gender, that we're able to provide those individual needs, make sure those are met. It really just puts our employees at the heart of what we're doing, and it's a privilege to be able to share that with other organisations as well, because we know that there is a desire and there's a need for that guidance, for that support to be out there, and we really hope that businesses and individuals within businesses as well use this guidance and really kind of exceed what they're doing already and improve things for everybody. I totally get that not every business has got the budget or the resource or whatever it might be to make all of the changes they would like to make overnight. I get that that's not always plausible. Where it is, I would really encourage businesses to do that. But where it's not, this guidance provides like a roadmap. You can really understand what needs to change, what's our priority, what's going to have the biggest impact, and then start small if you need to, but start tomorrow. That's what I would really encourage. And where perhaps this isn't reaching the agenda of businesses, I'd really encourage individuals to seek out this guidance and to take it to their manager, take it to their bosses, put it on the right table under the right nose, and really encourage those businesses to do better, to be better.